Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix slow internet problem on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on SIM card and mobile network. And from here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your SIM card. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on preferred network type. Now from here, if the preferred network type is on 3G or 2G, just select 4G. And once you have done that, just scroll down and make sure you enable VoLTE. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Management. Now just tap on Reset Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network and Bluetooth. From here, just tap on Reset Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings one more time. Now once you do that, it will reset all the network settings on your smartphone, including the Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. Now once you do that, just go back to your home screen and swipe down and open the Control Center. Now from here, just tap on the aeroplane mode and wait for a few seconds. Then open the Control Center and tap on the aeroplane mode to turn off aeroplane mode. And this is how you can fix slow internet problem on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.